hating this so much. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasmia, and today I'm going to be trying out this very weird new trend for nail art that I'll leave up on the screen right here. I'm going to be trying this out today. It's basically morphing two of your fingers into one to create a heart. I'm disgusted by this, but I had to try it. So we're going to be doing that today, and yeah, so if you want to see me transform my nails into this weird contraption, then just keep on watching. I have a feeling this is going to be really disgusting. So we're going to get started. I'm going to basically glue on stiletto tips that I have onto my nail, like at an angle, and then I'm going to try to create the bottom of the V like that. So I'm just going to trim off any sides that are kind of sticking out. So we got the base down. You can see it here. I can't even straighten my fingers because my middle finger is so much longer than my index, so I have to stay like this. So I'm gonna file everything down and polish it and everything, and I will be back to show you the final result. All right, and there you have it. You have these very, very bizarre, very uncomfortable nails here. I mean, it's definitely bizarre, and I'm hating this so much. There you have it. I tried out this very bizarre trend that's been going around right now, and I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below if you have any suggestions of what you'd want to see next. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.